Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Yeah, key spot we're in at the moment. We're in this larger support area, but since the expected breakdown, we haven't had any major buy reactions, so it's rather sideways consolidation today. And overall, the expectation, or what we're watching for at least, is a reaction in this support area. In yesterday's video, we talked about we could drop a bit further, maybe next to 1798, because we broke below the 1853 Fibonacci support, which is the 50% Fib level. And the next one could be the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement at 1798. The overall assumption on this chart is that we have a wave 1 to the upside and then an A wave down. The B wave was the triangle. We've been tracking that over recent weeks. And then the C wave to the downside is basically unfolding now. I gave you some Fibonacci extension targets to watch out for, in addition to the retracements. So we talked about the 1-to-1 ratio, which is down there at around 1783, very close to the golden ratio. So I would pay attention to that one certainly as well, right? And then 1798 and 1719. But I don't necessarily think we have to go down that much. I mean, this is certainly, if this is an ABC structure, the C wave is an impulse. And the question is, of course, when do we form a lasting low? And so far, it's just doing what we wanted. We wanted to get the price come down. I'm counting that C wave as a 5-wave impulse. So the wave 1 here, wave 2 here, wave 3 bottomed, wave 4 bottomed, and we could now be in this 5th wave. And this is now where it's getting interesting. Let me just look something up actually. Yeah, let's go to the 15-minute chart. See if we can identify a key structure. But to be honest, there isn't really a very clear structure here. So to me, this doesn't look yet like 5 waves down. It's a bit unclear, especially this last move down. But if we have a small 1-2 here, then this was probably the 3rd. A 4th. So unless we see an impulse to the upside now, I would argue we could get one more low, and that would be pretty much in line with the expectation. Now again, if it's just one more low, we might not even get down to the Fib level I just indicated to you. We'd need to go to the other time frame now. But what is a first resistance level to watch out for? I mean, let's assume this turns around now. What is the level that would need to break to the upside to indicate that a low is in? So obviously an important level is up here, right? That wave 4 high at 1896. Now, price will have moved significantly when we get there, but it is going to be a reliable level. If that's broken in a 5-wave move, then we have good reason, let's say, to believe that a low could be in, a lasting low in this wave 2 correction. But there is an indication or a level that we can watch earlier, and that would be the 50% retracement level. So I would use that 50% retracement level just as a guide. That's at 1864. If we see a break above 1864, above the 50% Fib level of this decline, then it would be a good indication. Let's not say a good indication, an early indication that a low is in. So let's assume this wave 3 is starting at some point, right? This larger rally. What would be how would that unfold? Obviously, that's maybe what we should look at first. So just need to move that over here. So the wave 3 there should be a 5-wave move as well. So it should ideally unfold as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, you see I have to move that over again, but roughly like that, okay? So what we can do with the information we have, and by the way, I'm going to hide the resistance box there. What we can do with the info we have, we can calculate a likely target for circle wave 1 here. So it's a bit too early for that because I haven't got a lasting low in place. I have no confirmation, but let's assume we have bottomed, which again, there's no confirmation for that. But then the first target that we would be watching for this wave 1 would be the $2,011 level, maybe 2,120, but probably this is the first level to watch. It is in line with the previous A wave high, so likely resistance. Then we can get a wave 2 pullback, and then we take it from there. Yeah, but this will be the first level. So just that you get an idea how high would the price go in this circle wave 1, which again is a 5-wave move in itself, right? So, but that's sort of an idea that, you know, not an idea, it's just sort of how the Fib levels normally work. Yeah, that's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And also for info, because we had a lot of requests, we've now launched our stocks and shares service. We cover 20 stocks and the S&P 500. You can find the link in the video description. It's the link to Patreon. You can read through what stocks are included and the extras that are included. If you're interested, check it out. If not, that's fine. And I hope you still like the update, and please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.